Y'all, I am so excited to make my next tutorial. It is the Simple Wallet. And look at the package she sent me. And I'm just so grateful. It's so organized. I've got the templates there for me. I've got the tools I need. She's cut the materials. Like, I just cannot go on about how professional and organized she is. She's going to make this tutorial so much easier for me. Thank you so much, Anne. I'm super excited to work on this Simple Wallet and get this tutorial done. Thank you so much. And this is going to be the Simple Wallet by Simple Artful Stuff. So excited. I'm also excited about the materials that I'm going to be using because some of them I've never used, like this Heat and Bond Ultra Hold Iron On adhesive. I've never used this before, so if you have, comment below and tell me what you think about it. Also new to me is salpa. I've been reading about it for about a year now, so I am familiar with what it is, just because I do eventually want to get into leather work, and that's recommended a lot for working with leather to use as kind of like an interfacing, I think. Yeah, like an interface. So I just pulled this out, so we've got some salpa here. It has a very unique feel to it. So salpa is actually material that is made from leather. You know, I don't know if they shave it or if it's just, or what they do with it, how they process it, but it is actually real leather, and you bond it to your material. And so it's kind of like, you know, like a strengthener, like an interfacing. And it is, once you bond it, it's like a permanent adhesive. And you bond it with glue, it's not with heat. So she's already got these pieces cut out for me. I am just super excited about all of this. And here are some more, I think, of the bond, the heat bond, yes, that I've never used. Let's see. And I believe that this is the, lining. I am super excited. Again, these are materials that I have not worked with, so that I love learning new things. So I am pretty excited about working on this wallet. Yeah, I'm excited to do this, and I'm excited for you guys to see it. I think that the lining is the kind that is that's made to help your like credit cards not to be able to be ran, your information stolen. I can't remember the name of I can't remember the name of it, but yeah, and you can find that lining, I know, and also the accordion piece that we're going to be using for the wallet. You can find that Ginger has it over at Lux Hardware. When I do the video, I'll put the links to everything for you. But yeah, I'm super excited.